Peace, I'm Lamar, your digital money coach from ScissorMoney. I use AI to break down paycheck problems for people working real jobs, real shifts, and real bills. 900 miles from home. $47 in my account. Settlement check still 8 days out. I was sitting in my truck at a pilot in Knoxville, wondering how I was going to eat without destroying my Comdata card. If you know that feeling, the one where you're literally driving your paycheck into the asphalt, pay attention. I saved $600 in the next 30 days without running one extra mile. I just used AI, and I'm about to show you exactly how. We bleed money 3 ways out here: fuel, food, and forgetting. Roller grill hot dogs, monsters, snacks, $28 gone. Fuel stops decided by hope, not math. Subscriptions that auto-renew into the void. I wasn't lazy, I was driving 11 hours a day. I just didn't have the brain space to hunt down savings. That's where AI became my free co-driver. I opened ChatGPT and typed, "I'm a truck driver heading from Atlanta to Dallas on I-20. Find the 3 cheapest truck stops for diesel within 5 miles of my route, ranked by price. My truck gets 6.2 miles per gallon. Tank holds 150 gallons. It gave me a mom and pop stop saving 38 cents a gallon. Over a week, $45 to $50 back in my pocket. Over the month, $180. No more guessing at the pump. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, fuel is one of the top operational costs for owner-operators, so every cent counts. Next, I uploaded my insurance renewal letter. My prompt: act as a professional truck insurance negotiator, write a script to call my agent and ask for a lower premium, mention my clean MVR, 7 years experience, and that I'm shopping other quotes. I was scared to make that call, but I read the script word for word. The agent put me on hold and came back with a $60 a month cut. That's $240 over the month. AI gave me the confidence when I had none. You can make a video like this using ChatGPT to write the story and HeyGen to turn it into a talking digital avatar. Food. I asked, create a 5-day no-cook meal plan for a trucker with a 12-volt fridge. Budget $50 total. High protein. It built a Walmart list. $44 instead of $150 at truck stops. Saved $100 easy. These are the kinds of tricks we use at ScissorMoney to protect the paycheck. Then I pasted my bank statement and said, highlight any subscriptions, monthly fees, or recurring charges I can cancel or negotiate. It found Audible, a dead gym membership, and a finance charge I got waived. Another $80 back. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau warns that dark patterns in subscriptions cost workers billions annually. Fuel, $180. Insurance, $240. Food and subscriptions, $180. $600 that would have just vanished. I didn't run harder. I let AI find the cracks and seal them. This is survival math for the working driver. I put every single prompt I used into a free ScissorMoney AI bill slasher pack. Link in the description. Just take it and run the same plays. Tell me in the comments, what's the one road expense you'd let AI attack first? Follow ScissorMoney if your paycheck needs a better system. Peace.